Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to replace iPhone XS Max screen. Okay friends, this is iPhone XS Max, completely smashed screen. Make sure you have screwdriver. You have to open these screws, the bottom screws. One, keep it aside. Please keep it aside nice and safe. Undo the screws. All you need is this one. Make sure, be careful. Okay, that's it. Just lift it up. That's it. The screen is open now. Be careful. Okay, and with the help of 0.6 times 25 mm, okay, so you have to disconnect the battery first. So remove the first three screws. One, keep it aside. Two, oops, three, all done. Okay, and another 1, 2, 3, 4 screws to disconnect the screen. One, this is stubborn screen. Okay, and I believe we are ready to open the screen. Okay, just lift it up nice and gentle with the help of tweezers. That's it. Keep it side. Make sure you have this plastic thingy, sharp thing, so you can just disconnect the screen from here. Friends, you have to be careful with this flex cable. This is a Face ID, so nice and easy. Okay, that's it. There is a glue here, so you have to be careful. And then I believe that's it. Once you unplug this, you can remove the screen. Okay, so in the second part, my friends, this is the actual screen. So you have to remove here 1, 2, 3 screws. Okay, one, the second screw, two, and this one is tiny little screw. You have to be very careful. Okay, that's it. I believe so. Come on, don't be harsh on me, my friend. That's it. As you can see, this is the third screw. Okay, and friends, you have to be very careful when you remove this Face ID. Okay, you don't need this plastic bit. You can just chuck this in the bin, but be careful. Just follow my instructions, my friend. Okay, so you can change the screen for cheaper price. It's all done. And you may need this plastic one here, the one you removed from the old one. Okay, keep it here. That's it. And then now it's called installation process. So we are installing new screen on iPhone XS Max. So be careful with your screws and all. Okay, I will select this one. I picked up the screw and I'm trying to do the screw in nice and gentle, no rush, easy peasy. Okay guys, this is only to show you how to change the screen for cheaper price. Okay, you can buy the screen on Amazon or eBay for $25-30. Okay, so this bit is a little bit tricky, but I can do it. That's it, all done. Okay, so my friend, this is the new screen. Face ID, flex cable, earpiece installed. Believe I may need this, and this is the customer's phone. For the security or safety concern, I will disconnect the battery. This is the battery. Okay, and I will just plug in the battery again. Okay, Oh, apology, this is the battery. 1 2 3 fourth cable, battery disconnected, as you can see. Okay, after 10 seconds make sure connect the battery. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Will be extra 2 seconds. That's it. Connect the battery, and then make sure put the screen on your left side while you're fixing it. Connect the Face ID, LCD screen, touchscreen flex cable. Nice and easy. Okay friends, and then as you remember you have to, okay, let me check the screen quickly. 1 2, I'm trying to turn on the screen now, pressing the power button. That's it, it's all good. Okay, and then I'll put the screws back. Okay, where I started. 1 2, and this is the third and final screw. That's it. Okay, and then to fix the screen all you need is a confidence. Make sure you have a confidence. Even do any mistakes, don't worry, you can do it. Okay,
So original iPhone charger.
sorry my brother, no,
No, you don't.
that's it. And this is the last screw. Come on. All right, that's it my friend. Okay, nice and tight. As you can see, phone is disabled. That's fine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 da, 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 da. Screen absolutely fine, nice and fast. Okay friends, and then it's very simple. Look, just make sure, if you feel it's little bit hard, open the screen, double check again, because sometimes the tiny little screws stuck in the middle of the screen gap. All right, so all you have to do is tighten the screw, and that's it. Usually it takes only 1 to 2 minutes for me to replace the screen, but where I'm recording it takes like 7 to 8 minutes now. Okay friends, this is all done. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos.